So once you have downloaded the application, click on to run the application, double click the application. So when you double click it, the application starts, and you must ensure that you have connected the Creative 3D gesture camera. So this is the instance where you want to create where you want to connect your embedded device. So as it's stating, please plug in your device in the USB serial port and then click on Find My COM ports. So before clicking on Find My COM port, you must connect your embedded device to the USB port of the laptop using a USB dongle or any other USB device. So let me connect my device first. Yes, I have connected it and a sound appears. Now once you have connected it, click on Find My COM port. So you have to wait for a while it's finding the COM port for you. Okay, so now it has finished searching the COM port, and now from the list you can select the COM port that your embedded device represents. That is the COM port in which you have plugged your embedded device or robot in. So for example, I have plugged my microcontroller 8051 in COM11 port, so I will select my COM11 port. If you don't know the list of COM port, then you can simply go to the control panel, and in the control panel under USB you can check your COM port, which COM port you are using. My COM port is COM11, so I've selected COM11, and then once you selected, click on Open Selected Port. In case you don't find, in case your port is not coming in this list, then you can click on the back and search for it again. So now we'll click on Open Selected Port so that our port opens. Okay, so this window represents that our COM port was opened, and this one was COM11, and this screen is given to test your microcontroller. So you can here send the values. For example, I am sending here A to my microcontroller, and this represents success when it sends the values successfully. So this window is given basically for testing your microcontroller. For example, I have programmed my microcontroller 8051 as, if I send value A, then it will glow the first LED on. When I send value B, it will glow my second LED on, and when I send it C, it will glow my third LED on, and so on. So I have programmed my microcontroller like this, and so I can test my microcontroller in this window. If you don't want to test it, then or you have tested it successfully, then you click on Continue to Advanced Mode. Once you click on Continue to Advanced Mode, a new window appears which tells us various options, and these options are particularly that how you want to control your embedded device. The first option, that is Use Keyboard, represents if you want to control your embedded system or microcontroller or robot using keyboard, and the second option represents using hand, that you want to use hand gestures to control your device, and the third option represents that you want to control your embedded device using voice commands.